dear friends, welcome to Top Education. In this session, guys, we are learning something new, different from your syllabus. So, guys, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for the notification. Let's begin with the video. So this request was given from the students, like they want to know about the advantages and disadvantages of the online games, or you can say the games which are available in the market. So first of all, I would like to say all you guys is each and every topic has two faces, like a coin has two faces. So similarly, the faces are advantage and disadvantage. So the online game has two things in this topic also, that is advantage and disadvantage. So first of all, I would like to go in the detail of the online games and all, and the usage of mobile also for a few seconds. So guys, as the scientists have been proved, as the research policy have been proved, that the in India the 25% of age below 5 years are wearing the eyeglasses because the more usage of mobile phones. And also few, or maybe say in the 100%, the 5% or 3% of the childrens have lose their sights by using the mobiles for a longer period of time, as they are small, their immunity system, their capability, everything, like they are utilizing everything in that cell phone only, so this is possible. Now we'll go to the disadvantage first of all. So first, the disadvantage I can say you is, we will have some points, okay? So by that points we can know very easily. First is the distress, okay? Now I am see, I can say you is I'm very addicted to PUBG. Okay, I am very addicted to PUBG. I want to won those games. If I lose, then I will play again and again and again. So this is how what happened here is, when we don't set our limits. Okay, so I have set my limits. So I have to play only 2 hours or 1 hour. Okay, so what happened here is few students does not, okay, they set the limit to play the games, so the distress automatically grows. Mental growth, yes, the psychopathy, the psycho technologies and all, you can, they have proved that the psychovism have been come from those things only. You can see, like there are a few people in the demands also. We were getting those cases at the first stage of the PUBG and all. So that was like they did not set the limits. They were having some craze of playing those games. It is not about PUBG only. There are many other games like Blue Whale. Those examples are very highly. Physical growth, yes, continuous is a very important for a child, both mentally and physically. The best mobile phone games engage the kids too much, with resides them from going out and playing. So physical growth, here I can give you an example. I have a friend, okay, he's very interested in playing PUBG games and all. He likes editing everything. What happened here is he doesn't move outside, he don't do the physical exercises and all. He want everything to be his bed. He will get up, take his phone, power bank, earphones, sit there, utilize 12 hours there only, again sleep there only. So the physical growth of the person is not being, it is like affected more and more. Social interaction and isolation, yes. Now what happened here is, if the child is like, what we say, he gets the addiction from the childhood only, so he don't talk with other people. Yes, see, I like when I was at the something called 7 and 8 age, I was also like interested in playing games only. I was not speaking to anyone, so that I have came over to that. Okay, so this what happened here is we don't have some conversation. that we need the more and more we communicate, more and more increase our skills and these things. So social interaction is also destroyed from that. Okay, now let's move to the second phase of this topic, which is advantages. First of all, I would say is if you set some limits, then you come to a successful path. If you are not making some limits to your playing games into, then your life is going to a dustbin. Yes, this is have been proved from the great scientists also. And also guys, read articles which will help you to know what's going in the society. Okay, and moreover, let's move to the advantages of this. The first advantage here is it increases the IQ level of, or we can say the brain power. See, now the person knows how to play and how to like okay, stop, I have to do something work. Like he should know that yes, this level is like I should be at this level only. I should not move beyond it. If I move beyond it, I destroy my life by putting my life in this online games. Yes. And also guys, here what happened here is also we have good advantages of playing these games. Okay, it improves the moods. For example, for I will take my own example only. When I am like all the family comes and speaks like what you're doing, you're not doing good, this that and all, then I just go to my room, close the door and just play a few games. Whether it is Ludo, whether it is Snake and Ladder, that is also online games. Yes, it gives pleasure and it modifies my mood. It creates something enough thing. Okay, then also we have something called is we improves the moods. Yes, improve the moods also. We train the brain also. Our brain, when we play those games, the tricky games, not the foolish games and all, the Candy Crush, those will not help you anywhere. Okay, like brain examination and all those games will help you a lot in your personal life. And one more thing is we have here the point is it enhance well-being play mobile game. See, the concentration of our brain, it just remain on that game at a particular time. When you're playing the PUBG, you want to kill that person. Yes, there are left only one person, you want to kill him. So all the concentrations comes there, and also it builds the concentration power of you. When you go to your class, you have the good concentration. Also, I have some friends. I have this all what I'm speaking. No, they are like all are taken from my live examples only. There also I have my friend something who has good concentration. Also is playing game well and good. Yes, so it is well and good by playing and having a good concentration also. So guys, I would like to conclude my video by saying this few words is if you set limits, then you can cross everything. Yes, if you have a limit of playing, yes, I will play only for few seconds, only for few hours. It's it should be within that only. If you extend it, you lose your mental power, you lose your physical power, you lose your social capabilities also. So thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and of course have a thumbs up on this video.